This 250 litre Westinghouse fridge is the perfect size for an individual or couple. The fridge comes in white. The door hinge is on the right hand side and the height is 1,470 millimetres. The width is 540 millimetres and the depth is 615 millimetres. The fridge capacity is 168 litres and the freezer capacity is 77 litres. This fridge has a multitude of features, such as 4-width humidity-controlled crisper bin, door alarm, frost-free, multi-flow air delivery system, twist ice and serve, deodoriser, chiller drawer, and Stor door bin storage system. It also has 2 full-width door bins and a twist ice tray. The fridge is also covered by a 2-year manufacturer's warranty. With a 3.5-star energy rating, that is the 250 litre Westinghouse fridge. Thanks for watching.